there, my name is Henry. I'm a horse. I live here on the farm with my best friends. Do you want to meet them? Let's go, ye! Clara the cow.
Hello, I'm Clara. I give milk and I love to eat grass. Nice to meet you.
Clara is always calm and gentle. She makes the best milk on the farm. That's our lovely Clara. Next is Sammy the sheep.
Hi, I'm Sammy. My wool is soft and fluffy like a cloud.
Sammy is so fluffy and fun. We all love his cozy wool. Here he is, sweet Sammy. Oh, look, it's Penny the pig.
Hello, I'm Penny. I love rolling in the mud. It's cool and squishy.
Penny is playful and loves to laugh. Mud is her favorite thing. That's our muddy buddy, Penny. Now say hello to Kathy the chicken.
Hello, I'm Kathy. I lay eggs and I love pecking the ground.
Hello, I'm Kathy. I lay eggs and I love pecking the ground.
Kathy is small, fast, and very smart. She gives us eggs every morning. Yay for Kathy the chicken. Here comes Danny the dog.
Hi there. I'm Danny. I guard the farm and love to play.
Danny is brave and always watches out for us. What a good dog! It's Danny! We're all good friends here on the farm. Did you have fun meeting everyone today? Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Thanks for visiting Fun Friends in the Farm. Come back next time for more fun and learning.